Welcome everyone to my channel. I would like us to look at the change of base rule as applied to logarithms. And here is a question telling us to solve the equation log x base 4 plus log x base 2 equals to 6. Solving an equation means we are going to get the value of x. Let's proceed. Now, remember that when you are given a value like log a to base b, the change of base rule tells us that this one is equals to log a, that is log a to another base, call it base c, everything over log b to the same base. Now, the base c, we are going to look for a base which is easier to work with. For instance, I'm going to look for a base 10 because it is easier to work with log to base 10 because our calculators, scientific calculators, they have the logs to base 10. If you may have a calculator whereby you can work out to log to other bases, then you are good to go. But in our case here, we are going to work with log to base 10, that is log a to base 10 over log b to base 10. Now, having this knowledge here, we can now go ahead and apply here. So our question, we have log x base 4 is added to log x base 2, and this one equals to 6. So if I start with log x base 4, the change of base rule, I'm going to change this one into base 10, and I'm going to apply this one here, this rule here. So log x to base 4 is going to be equal to log x base 10 over log 4 base 10. Now in this case, we can get the value of log 4 base 10 using our calculator, and this one I'm going to add to log x base 10 over log 2 base 10, and this one equals to 6. All right, now logarithms to base 10, those are common logs, and it means that if I can just write log a over log b, common logs, we know that they are always to base 10 even if I don't indicate. So in any case, you see me not indicating, so you should not be worried so much. Now when you look at these two, here, log x base 10 over log 4 base 10 plus log x base 10 over log 2 base 10, these are two numbers which are in form of a fraction. Like for example, you can have 1 over c plus 1 over b, whereby if you can remember how to work out fractions, addition on fractions, for you to add two fractions, you get the LCM. Like here, the LCM, you take c multiplied by b, and then work out c into cb, gives you b plus b, and that one is b plus c over c times b. Now we can apply this knowledge here to try and work out these two. Now what I mean is that I'm going to take the LCM of log 4 and log 2, and I'm just going to multiply the two. So I shall have log 4 by multiplied by log 2, and that one is going to be my LCM. And then I come back here, log 4 into the LCM here. This one will be the same as log 2. Yeah, you cover up log 4 and what is left is log 2. Now take that log 2 and multiply by what we have in the numerator, which is our log x, and then this one is added to log 2 base 10 into our LCM is going to give us log 4. So you take that log 4, multiply by the numerator, which is log x again, and this one equals to 6. For me to simplify this one further, I'm going to multiply both sides by log 4 log 2, and on my left hand side, if I multiply, I shall have so log 4 log 2 will cancel out, and what shall be left is log 2 log x, and this one is added to log 4 log x, and this one equals to 6 times log 4 log 4 log 2. Yeah, so that is what we have. Now, since we are able to work out the value of log 2 and log 4 from our calculator, you'll find out that the value of log 2 is the same as 0.30103, and this one shall multiply by log x, add to the value of log 4 from the calculator is 0.60206 log x, and on the same hand, if you multiply 6 times log 4 times log 2, which can be, you can work out that one directly using a calculator. It will give you a value of 1.081238. all right, now from here we are going to work out here. This one is 0.30103 log x plus 0.60206 log x. So log x and log x here are like terms, so we can add them up directly. And if you add the two, you shall get a value of 0.90309 log x equals to 1.081238. all right, to get log x, we shall divide both sides by 0.90309, and you'll find that our value of log x here will be, because this one cancels out, you shall find out that log x is equals to, if you divide this one by this, you shall get a value of 1.20412. Now from here, to get the value of x, remember I said when I write log x, or I write log 6 or log 4 or log 2 without indicating the base, then that means I'm talking about the log to base 10. all right, log to base 10. Now if you remember that given a value like log x to base 2 is equals to 3, this value of x can be gotten in this way: 2 here is known as the base, 2 is known as the base, 3 here is the index, and x here is the argument. So this one, to work out this one, you shall take 2 as the base, and then you raise to the index, which is 3. It will give you the value of x. All right, now we can apply the same here to get the value of the argument x. To get the value of the argument x, you take the base, which is 10, raise it to the index, which is 1.20412, and x here will give you a value of 16. Thank you everyone for watching. This is our answer here. Remember to subscribe to my channel, share with friends. Otherwise, until next time, may God bless you.